So
Local government elections are coming up in November. All the politicians are going to be asking for your vote. We're finding out from residents today what's wrong with the city. Are you proud of the city? What do you think of the city? And what would you like the politicians to address first?
first of all, I was born in Port Elizabeth. I've been here my whole life. I'm proud of saying I'm from Port Elizabeth. Riding around in Port Elizabeth now is pathetic. You must ride around in the streets like a drunk person, with all the potholes and stuff, the damages. I'm not proud to say I'm from Port Elizabeth, and even the whole bloody country. Yeah. Um, I think personally, they must really do something about it.
What would you like to see them address first? If you could speak to the politicians directly now, what would you tell them they need to fix?
Honesty and stop stealing our money. That's my personal opinion. They cannot tell me there's no money to fix the stuff. There is money. Get the right people, the right contracts, and not friends, to put into contracts that are going to steal the money or not fixing the stuff. If you want to fix something, get people that can fix the stuff. If you want to pay them, pay the right people to fix the stuff.
Sure.
I mean, using people to fix potholes and they haven't got a clue what they're doing. Because within the next rain, there's going to be another pothole because they don't know what they're doing.
Now, without telling us who you're going to vote for, what is going to make you decide which party gets your vote?
I'm going to be honest with you. It's not, for me. It's not about a party or whatever. It's like people that do the right thing. Years ago, Ethel Trollip took over in Port Elizabeth. You saw immediately a difference in Port Elizabeth. A few months later, he was kicked out. Then other people came in, and everything fell to pieces. And then Retief took over eventually. He was voted in. A few months later, he was kicked out. But in that time, you literally saw things happening, lights that comes on. In my street, I stay in Sherwood. The lights is off in that street probably for about 2 years already. When Retief took over, you could see there's a difference. Grass had been cut, potholes fixed, things fixed. A few months later, he was kicked out, and then everything fell to pieces again. You cannot put people in charge of this city, and they've got no clue what they are doing. Literally, they've got no clue. They earn a lot of money. Every meeting that's going on in the municipality, they've been eating. They literally eat our money up instead of fixing Port Elizabeth.